Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Welcome to our creative journey. Today, I'll come up with a new video of village home in a village atmosphere with oil pastels, and we are going to bring a quaint village home to life using the vibrant medium of oil pastels. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and support. Let's dive into video. First of all, using a light pencil, sketch the outline of our charming village house. Keep it simple and expressive, capturing the essence of rural architecture. Now let's add some character, define the roof lines and windows, ensuring they complement the rustic charm we are aiming for. And it's time to infuse some life into our scenery. Sketch in a winding pathway and a few trees forming the house beautifully. Now the magic begins. Grab your oil pastels and start by gently shading the walls. Feel free to blend colors for a natural texture look with a hand or blending stone for earbuds also. Move on to the roof. Use warm, earthy tones to create a sense of coziness. Remember, the colors you choose tell a story. Let's bring our trees to life. Layer shades of green, adding depth of the foliage. You can even add a touch of brown for texture and white also. Detail the windows and doors with a contrasting colors. This adds a pop of character to our pictures. Village home according to your choice, and highlight the pathway with gentle strokes, blending colors to create a warm welcome feel. Add a few pebbles for that extra touch as your choice. I'll add a grass or um, even more smooth texture also. And there we have it. Our village home is now alive with the vibrant colors of oil pastels. Remember, let your creativity flows and makes this artwork uniquely yours. I hope you enjoy this video artistic journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative adventures. Until next time,